got a charger? My phone is about to die.
Yeah, well, actually, you just got one. I got you.
All right, today our friends from FlashFish. They hook us up with some pretty unique items. You're gonna like this. Watch this. Ooh-wee. We got a solar panel charger. My phone is about to die because my toxic woman is calling me every 5 minutes. She thinks I'm at work, but all right, time to start making this sauce. We're gonna need half an onion. Drop it in there. We need 2 tomatoes. 2 jalapenos. We're gonna fry this for about 10 minutes until it gets a nice dark color in it. That way we can make some delicious salsa. Alright, look at this little thing over here. It's charging my phone. It's charging my other phone for my other girls. It's got all kinds of chargers in there, USBs and everything. You can even charge your phone if you don't have a regular charger. Plug it in there. It's got flashlight. It even got disco light just in case you want to get freaking night. How you doing? All right, this sauce is ready. It's got a nice little color. Throw in your blender. We're in the middle of nowhere, so this is another reason you need one of these batteries. You can plug it in this baby. Add some beer to your salsa, just a little bit. Add some seasoning. Make sure you turn it on AC, DC. I don't even know what you call this damn thing, but we're gonna turn it in there. And I was pushing the wrong button. There you go. There you go. It's gonna make your booty hole burn some more. Look at this baby. Still 98%. We've been charging these phones for like 30 minutes. We've been using these, flashlight and everything. We're just gonna sit there with some, after about 4 or 5 minutes, I can look this baby.